recommended first step in becoming an electrical inspector involves acquiring basic computer literacy. Learn how to navigate the computer, use common software programs, and access the internet. This will be essential for accessing information, communicating with clients, and using inspection software. Computer literacy is a fundamental skill in today's world, and it is especially important for electrical inspectors. Electrical inspectors use computers for a variety of tasks, including researching codes and regulations, creating inspection reports, communicating with contractors and homeowners, and managing their schedules. Firstly, learn how to use a computer. This includes learning how to turn the computer on and off, how to use the mouse and keyboard, and how to open and close programs. Secondly, learn how to use common software programs. This includes word processing programs, spreadsheet programs, and presentation programs. Word processing programs are used to create documents, such as inspection reports. Spreadsheet programs are used to track data, such as inspection results. Presentation programs are used to create presentations, such as presentations to contractors or homeowners. Thirdly, learn how to access the internet. The internet is a valuable resource for electrical inspectors. It can be used to research codes and regulations, to find information about new technologies, and to communicate with other inspectors. In addition to these basic computer skills, electrical inspectors should also be familiar with inspection software. Inspection software is used to manage inspections, to create inspection reports, and to track inspection results. There are a variety of inspection software programs available, so electrical inspectors should choose a program that meets their needs. Learning how to use a computer is an essential first step in becoming an electrical inspector. By acquiring basic computer literacy, electrical inspectors can be more efficient and effective in their jobs. To elaborate on the specific skills needed for electrical inspectors, let's break down the computer literacy aspects further. Firstly, operating systems. Familiarize yourself with the operating system your computer uses. This is often Windows or Mac OS. Understanding how to manage files and folders, install software, and troubleshoot basic problems is crucial. Secondly, internet browsers. Learn how to use a web browser, such as Chrome, Firefox, or Safari. This includes understanding how to navigate websites, use search engines, download files, and manage bookmarks. Electrical codes and standards are often available online. Thirdly, email communication. Proficiency in email communication is vital. Learn how to send and receive emails, manage your inbox, attach files, and use features like calendars and meeting requests. You will communicate with contractors, homeowners, and other inspectors via email. Fourthly, word processing. Develop proficiency in a word processing program like Microsoft Word or Google Docs. You will use these programs to create inspection reports, write letters, and prepare other documents. Learn how to format text, insert tables and images, use spell check, and create templates. Fifthly, spreadsheets. Learn how to use a spreadsheet program like Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets. Spreadsheets are useful for organizing data, creating charts and graphs, and performing calculations. You might use them to track inspection results or manage your schedule. Sixthly, file management. Master file management skills. Learn how to create folders, rename files, copy and paste files, and back up your data. Keeping your files organized will save you time and prevent data loss. Seventhly, online research. Develop strong online research skills. Learn how to use search engines effectively, evaluate the credibility of websites, and find relevant information quickly. You will need to research electrical codes, product specifications, and other technical information. Eighthly, software installation. Learn how to install and uninstall software programs. You will need to install inspection software, code updates, and other utilities. Ninthly, basic troubleshooting. Develop basic computer troubleshooting skills. Learn how to restart your computer, close unresponsive programs, and troubleshoot common problems. Knowing how to fix minor issues yourself can save you time and frustration. Tenthly, security awareness. Understand basic computer security principles. Learn how to protect your computer from viruses and malware, how to create strong passwords, and how to avoid phishing scams. Protecting your computer and data is essential. To provide some example tasks, imagine needing to research a specific section of the National Electrical Code, also known as the NEC. You would use your web browser to access the National Fire Protection Association, known as NFPA, website or another reputable source. Locate the relevant section and read the requirements. Alternatively, consider needing to create an inspection report. You would use a word processing program to create a professional-looking document, including details such as the date of the inspection, the location of the property, any violations found, and your recommendations. Another example involves communicating with a contractor about a code violation. You would use email to explain the violation clearly and concisely, and to request that the contractor correct the problem. Furthermore, scheduling inspections will require computer skills. You would use a calendar program, such as Google Calendar or Microsoft Outlook, to schedule inspections and manage your appointments. Staying organized will help you manage your workload effectively. To further detail some common software, firstly, Microsoft Office. This suite includes Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and Outlook. Word is essential for creating reports and documents. Excel is useful for data analysis and tracking. Outlook is used for email communication and scheduling. Secondly, Google Workspace. This suite includes Docs, Sheets, Slides, and Gmail. These programs offer similar functionality to Microsoft Office but are cloud-based and can be accessed from any device with an internet connection. Thirdly, inspection software. Several software programs are specifically designed for electrical inspectors. These programs allow you to manage inspections, create reports, and track violations. Research different options to find a program that meets your needs. Some example inspection software programs include Inspect and Track, CityForce, and ComKit. It is important to consider the specific requirements of your jurisdiction when choosing inspection software. Fourthly, PDF readers. You will need a PDF reader to view and print electrical codes, standards, and other documents. Adobe Acrobat Reader is a popular option. Many web browsers also have built-in PDF readers. Fifthly, online code resources. Become familiar with online resources for electrical codes and standards. The NFPA website is a valuable resource for the NEC. Many states and local jurisdictions also have websites with code information. Consider these points regarding ongoing learning. Technology is constantly evolving, so it is important to stay up to date on the latest computer skills and software. Consider taking online courses or attending workshops to improve your skills. Also, practice using your computer skills regularly to maintain your proficiency. Don't be afraid to ask for help if you are struggling with a particular task. There are many online resources and tutorials available. In summary, acquiring basic computer literacy is an essential first step in becoming an electrical inspector. By mastering computer skills, you will be able to perform your job more effectively and efficiently. Focus on developing proficiency in operating systems, internet browsers, email communication, word processing, spreadsheets, file management, online research, software installation, basic troubleshooting, and security awareness. Be sure to choose software and tools that meet the specific requirements of your jurisdiction and stay up to date with evolving technologies to ensure your continued success as an electrical inspector. And in addition, be prepared to adapt to new software and technology as the field evolves.